All right, I'm gonna start now. Do you have your printed worksheet out with you, your questions with you? There are
Yeah.
25 questions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna start from the back to the front. Okay, so I'm gonna start from question 25, which is the hardest, so that as I go along the hardest one, I will know what are the things that you actually know and you don't know. And then as we go along back to the number one is the easiest, so there won't be any stress. We already tackle the hard ones first. Okay. Now,
This
since
was
this
a
video
bit,
is recorded,
the first
sorry,
question is like a bit hard for me.
sorry again.
The first question is a bit hard for me.
First question is a bit hard. Don't worry, we're doing it together. Okay, so this video is recorded. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna explain to you the trick for 9 timetable first. So if any students come in, they can actually just play back the video and look at what I actually taught. Okay, so the little trick you can actually take away today, something new you learned today. Now put up your 10 fingers. Okay, okay, I can see your 10 fingers against your snowy Christmas background. Now, these 10 fingers, very simply, what I'm gonna do is that if you've got all your timetables, you start from 1, right? 1 times 9, 1 times 5, 1 times 6, right? So you know, very simply, 1 times 9 is 9, correct? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start off with my left hand, which means it's your left hand. So because I'm facing like that, it will be your right side. Okay, so it's actually like that. So if I put 1 times 9, I'm gonna close my first finger. Okay, I can't really do that. But how many fingers do I have left? If I close my first finger, okay, so basically you start off with your left. If I close my first finger, you got 9, right?
Yeah.
So if you got 9, 1 times 9 give you 9. Is that right?
Can I just put it on my thumb? It's like hard for me.
But you have to put it on this one because there's a reason why. I'll show it to you. Now, if let's say I've put 2 times 9 and I close my second finger. Okay, never mind. Now I go to 2 times 9. I close my second finger. Can you see 1 here? And then there's a gap here because you close your finger. And then can you see 8?
Yeah.
So 1 and 8, what does it give you? 18.
Yeah.
1 and 8, 18. So 2 times 9 is equals to?
2 times 9
equals to
like 18.
Yes. So can you see your fingers? Because of the gap separating, you've got 1 and you've got 8. So I've got 18. Okay. So let's try the third one. 9 times 3. Open up all your fingers. 9 times 3. Close your third one.
Right.
Yes, close that one. So how many are there here? Before the gap, how many are there here? This 2. No. Here, before the gap, this one. This 2 here.
Wait, I don't understand.
Okay, when you close your finger, there's a gap, right? The third finger, close your third finger. Okay, what's the finger here? How many fingers here?
2.
Before the gap, before the closed finger, how many here?
3.
2.
Oh, yeah. Wait, just now I said 2. Right.
Yes, that's 2, okay? So before your gap, there are 2 fingers. Yeah. And then after your gap, how many fingers are there? How many fingers are there?
2.
No, after your gap. Close your third finger. Close your third finger.
Yeah.
Okay. After your third finger, how many fingers are there? The ones that are moving. 7, right?
Yeah.
Do you understand? If you look at your finger, the one that you close separate the gap. Okay, there's a gap. So you've got 2 here and you got 7 on this side. So it's 27.
Yeah.
Okay. So 3 times 9 will give you 27.
27.
Okay. And then let's go on to 4. 9 times 4. Close your 4 finger. Close your 4 finger.
Wait. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh yeah. Some. Right. Wait. Some.
You are on. Okay. Because it's a mirror image. So close your 4 finger. Basically Close.
Left
Okay,
finger, right? Left finger.
Okay, you start off with left hand, okay, because I'm facing like that. So you have left finger, close your left finger. So you got 3 here. Can you see?
Yeah.
You've got 3 here, and
Yeah.
then you got 6 on this side, correct? We're doing 4, right? Close your 4th finger.
This one. Wait. Oh yeah, this one.
Yes. So you got 3 there, and then the other side after your gap, there is 6, correct?
Yeah.
So it's 36.
Yeah.
So 9 times 4 will give me 36.
6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know if your mom knows this. The older generation will know this. I'm not sure if your teacher actually taught you this technique, because this is the only one that can apply to only 9 timetable. No other timetable. So basically, if you actually look at your fingers with just 9 timetable, that will work, and you'll clear off your 9 timetable. All right. So you don't really need to memorize, but of course the rest you will have to memorize. Now this technique is actually taught during my generations a long time ago. I'm not sure whether they teach you that. Probably if you ask your mom, do the first few, and then your mom can actually explain to you what is the left to right. Okay, because I'm doing a mirror image, I'm on a computer, so by right, I always start out with the left hand. Okay, because when you write your number like 18, your 1 is on your left, right? So okay, if I'm gonna do this, let's say again, I'm gonna repeat, yeah. 1 times 9, I close this one. Okay, I will left I will left 9 fingers. So 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, 1 times 2, I have 2 here, and then I've got 8 here, so it is 18. Sorry, I got 1 here, and I've got 8. Is 1 and 8 will be 18. 9 times 3, close off my 3. I've got 2, and I've got 7 is 27. So 9 times 4, I will have 3 and 6, 36.
Yeah.
10 and 9 times 5, 4 and 5, 45. 9 times 6, 5 and 4, 54. 9 times 7, 6 and 3, 63. Okay, 9 times 8, 7 and 2, 72. Yeah, and 9 times 9 will give me 8 and 1, 81. And of course, 9 times 10 will be 9 and 0, 90. All right. Okay, so off with the trick. Let's go on to your worksheet. I'm gonna share the screen. Hold on here. Okay, let's start off with 25. Question 25.
I got it.
Okay. Now I know you already tell me that question 1 is difficult. A little bit hard. What about this question 25? Shall we go through together first? Give me a second, yeah. Sorry, if I'm mute. Basically because I'm blowing my nose, yeah, excuse me.
Yeah.
Okay, you know that in primary 3 you actually learn in thousands, and then from thousands you learn all the way until 10,000. So what I'm gonna do here, this is a little riddle. Okay, let's just take it as a little riddle. It's just basically all about numbers. So if you got a 4-digit number, but they say that this 4-digit is between 3,000 and 4,000. Okay, now we know it's somewhere 3,000 to 4,000, but the digit 3 stands for 300. So what I'm going to do is that I shall write down the 300 first. Okay, I'm going to write down your digit 3. Oops, what happened to my pen? So basically 3, I'm going to write down 300 first. And then the digit in the tens place is 5 more than the digit in the hundreds. So my 100 is actually 3. Okay, so but then basically they say that digit in the tens place in this position, okay, basically is 5 more than the digit in the hundreds. Now my hundreds is 3, right? So if 5 more than 3, what is 5 plus 3?
5 plus 3 equals to 8.
8, right? So
Yeah.
5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So basically, they're telling me my tens is actually 8. Very good. And then the digit 1, okay, which is the last one number here, okay, is 2 less than the digit in tens. Now my tens is 8.
Yeah.
And the ones will be 2 less. 2 less means 2 will be minus 2, right? So 8 minus 2 will give me
6.
6. So my ones will be your 6. Okay, so I have 3, 8, 6. So basically, the number is between 3,000 to 4,000. So it stands for 300. Okay, now I can only put 3 at the thousands place because they basically say that the digit 3 stands for 300, and they say the 4-digit number must be between 3,000 and 4,000. Okay, so we found your 5 plus 3 is equals to 8.
Yeah.
And then of course we found your last number 8 minus 2 is 6. So my answer will be 3386.
Yeah.
Okay, so I cannot put 4. Okay, I can't put 4 because it will be more than 4,000. So the number line is supposed to be from 3,000 to only 4,000. Okay, I can't really write well on screen. So basically, usually I just type. Okay, so it should be somewhere here. Now I cannot put 4386 because it's actually over 4,000. So that's actually out. Got it?
Yeah.
Simple?
Wait, can I take something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. Okay, you back?
Yeah, I got jelly.
Okay. All right, let's go on to your next question. Okay, I think the only way, I think the reason why we can't go backwards is because all the numbers are actually out. Okay, never mind. Let's go on to 25, 24. Okay, let's take a look at 24 now. Now, Mary has a 4-digit number in mind. Okay, the digit in your ones place is 4 more than digit in tens place. Hold on, let me just try something. Okay. Okay, let's try this. So you got 4-digit number. Now, digit ones is 4 more than digit in tens, but 3 less than the digit in 10,000. Okay, so let's go one by one first. So this whole part is your clue, but then let's get the information that is already confirmed. The value of the 100 place is 800. So we know the third place is 800. Okay, and then now they say that digit in the ones place, this one, okay, is 4 more than the digit in the tens. So basically, I will say this one plus 4. Okay, but 3 less than the digit in the thousands. Okay, digit in the 1 is 4 more than the digit in tens.
Wait, can I throw the jelly first?
Okay, can you put it aside first to not keep walking around? Just leave it on your table first. Okay. Let's just not have any distractions. So what I'm gonna do, hold on, let me just erase this one. Okay, what I'm gonna do, all right. Just leave whatever you have there, okay? Not have any distractions. Okay, so you got four digit number. What happens is your value